Alrighty then. Are we ready to rock and roll, gang?
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, let's do it. All right, going live on all the things. Now remember, our stupid system is messed up, so I have to manually, bear with me, I have to manually turn on all the TikTok streams. So do me a favor, because I'm also mobile. I cannot monitor. I mean, I can see them, but it's too hard for me to try to ban people and silence them and all the crazy stuff. So I'll let you guys do all that. Yay, there we go. I've got both TikTok streams running on the American Dream Trading and the ADT Coach. I am in the Cybertruck. If you guys, let me turn on the camera. I want to show you my new mount. Oh, you guys won't be able to see it. Okay, Zoom, because it always does that. Everybody on Zoom, go to American Dream Trading on TikTok real quick. Go to American Dream Trading on TikTok. You guys will see my new, only if you're interested. You guys will be able to see the new Cybertruck mount for the Starlink Mini. This thing is sick. You guys will see it when you...
It's cool.
Yeah, this thing, it's got its own encased case around it. You literally set the Starlink Mini inside of it, and then you mount the bracket underneath it, and then it's got these commercial grade suction cups. See them?
Yeah, that's pretty wild.
And then I've got the power cable ran down through the middle seat, and then it comes up underneath the mat, and it's plugged into an actual AC, a real AC adapter that's, you know, back here. So that's what's running all of the data right there. Isn't that cool though?
That's cool. How's the strength for it?
It's well, it's good. I mean, obviously depending on where you're at, but like right now where I'm parked, I'm getting 120 meg down and I think 20 meg up. So screaming.
Bad.
For out remote, I mean, I'm in the middle of the park. I could do this anywhere, right? So as long as I got visibility to the sky, then I'm good to go. And since this is an all glass roof, it just, right, everywhere I go. Yeah, I'm not worried about the suction cups. That's why I got these commercial grade ones. The other ones that I had actually fell off. They weren't good, but these ones should last forever. Yeah, these are the kind you pump, right? Like these are the real deal right here. Yes, I'm going to be trading while I'm in my car today. Prop firm. Now yesterday, if you guys remember, I popped those prop firms like a bonehead. So I won't do that today. I'm going to trade it for real and not get stupid with it. So I will be doing that today. If this is your first time being here, thank you so much. Today I'm in the mobile command center. We're live on everything. We're live on 2 TikTok accounts, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, and YouTube right now. So thank you so much. We're still
also live on WAP.
Oh, are we?
We're also live on WAP. Yes, sir.
Nice. And we're live over in our marketplace. Very cool. Thank you for setting that up. So lots of cool things. TikTok, we are having a problem with it running off the desktop. So I apologize for that. So if you guys are not seeing Mark in the afternoon, it's not that we don't want to. It's just for whatever reason, the desktop app is not working. Thank you for those. Thank you for the heart me, Nat. Notice today, right, you can see me off the mobile devices. For whatever reason, only mobile is working. I have no idea. We're working on it. We're working on it. What am I going to be trading today? Today I will be trading futures again, prop firm. I will be using Top Step X for their combine. Just so you know, it's a simulated account, right? So you go through the combine, then they give you an express funded account where you can then start making money, obviously, with it. So that's what I'll be trading today. So if you hear me say SPY or ES futures, That's what I'm going to be trading. Yes, but it'll be ES or typically I'm trading ES or NQ. Now I have everybody else, right, especially as you're starting or looking at other stuff, you can look at gold, copper, you know, different oil, like a lot of people like to trade oil. So it just depends on what you want to trade, okay? But so you'll hear me. But on top of that, right, in the morning, we are all about stocks and options. I just sprinkle in the futures because we're promoting our futures. Hey, thank you, Wade. I appreciate that. Look at that. That's cool. I've never seen that before. The Elvis setup. Thank you for that gift. So anyways, thank you all for being here. It's 9:05. We've already posted the hot stock picks. We've already done the pre-market setup where we give you those key critical areas that you guys can use at the bell and throughout the day. That is available to any of our paid members, by the way, all of those services. Hot stock picks, of course, we had a runner yesterday, ran up about, what, 450%, I believe, yesterday. We're usually pretty darn accurate with our hot stock picks. We get about 95 to 98%, maybe a little higher, of all the runners that you'll see run. And we've been doing that. I've been doing that every day for 5 years. But we've been doing that every day live for 2 years and 7 months, or however long we've been live every day. Thank you, Wade. So again, appreciate everybody being here.
Can you do me a favor and announce where you're live again?
Yes, so we're live on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitch, and now also WAP. Come and join us.
Thank you.
Yep. Today I am in the mobile command center, so I know it looks a little different. Listen, I like to get out of the house. The warmer it gets, the more I'm going to be trading outside of the house. The beauty of doing what we do, which is trading stocks, thank you, Seven Dust. The beauty of the beauty of trading stocks is you can do it from anywhere. As long as you have internet access, a mobile device, right? Obviously, you make sure you have a backup plan in case you know, the mobile has an issue. But seriously, you can do this from anywhere. So right now, inside of here, let me show you guys what I'm running. So you can see I've literally got a laptop in front of me. It's on my lap. So this is a MacBook Pro. I'm streaming right off of 2 different phones, of course, so you can see me. But I've also got our 2-minute EWO indicators right here. Now today I'm running a different tablet. This is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Hope I said that right. Plus, it's the Plus version, not the Ultra, I'm sorry. So this is the 13-inch version. But so I've got all this inside of my mobile command center doing all the things. Again, you can do it from everywhere. You obviously don't need all this, right? I've traded for decades, you know, well, since they allowed it, off of mobile phones. So you can trade off your mobile phone, a tablet, a laptop, a Chromebook, right? As long as your system works on it, you can trade anywhere in the world, okay? So thank you again for being here. It's going to be another exciting day. We're closing in on the end of March. Which is amazing. People have done some incredible things. So let's continue to do that. Nobody go rogue on me today, right? Make sure you follow all the rules, and we'll get into that in just a moment. Real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dawn, Mark, Miranda, Nick, Palm Coast, Richard, and Unhappily a Housewife. Special shout out to Diesel Dan. Sorry, I got to move my screens. Diesel Dan, Gilly, Nick, of course, over there doing a great job on, thank you for that. Wade's going crazy with these gifts. Nick and Mountain Man. So thank you. I'm looking at talking to a new moderator today. We might have a new moderator. I'm going to be talking to her a little bit later as soon as we're done with the stream.
She better say yes.
No pressure.
Pressure.
Right.
Great one.
Sorry, 1 second, just answering some stuff. So again, thank you. Thank you to my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. Thank you for the hearts. We honor and appreciate you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. Appreciate you. Somebody says, nice fridge. Thanks. We haven't heard that yet.
Recording stopped. Recording in progress.
Thank you. Anyways, yes. So I will be trading out of the fridge today. Which, by the way, I absolutely love this vehicle. So those of you that are hating on the Cybertruck, I'm telling you, this is the best vehicle I've ever owned. And I've owned everything from Escalades to Tahoes to Corvettes, BMWs, Mercedes. I've owned EVs since 2011. Volts and Mustangs. I've owned everything. This is literally the best vehicle I've ever owned, right? I'm just telling you. So, as much hate as it gets out there, it's literally the best vehicle I've ever owned. And I had the 2024 Model X Plaid, right? The highest end vehicle that Tesla makes. I had that before the Cybertruck. My wife drives a Rivian quad motor, 850 horse, highest end vehicle on the road. This is the best freaking vehicle ever made. Go buy one today, tesla.com. Make sure you use my referral code. You can take some money off. Love your faces.
Is it better than a Gremlin, Coach?
Now, I've never owned a Gremlin, so I can't compare it to that. Cannot compare it to that, but Tim says lies. Sorry, it really is. It really is. Listen, I've owned 6 Vets, Z06s, Indy pace cars. I mean, I have owned some incredible vehicles, right? This thing is the best, the absolute best. It does get a lot of hate. It's, first it got all the hate because people couldn't understand it. What is that thing? Then it got all the hate, obviously, with Elon and, everybody's political differences and oh no, and all the craziness. But I'm telling you, this is a bad dude. It's one of the fastest vehicles on the road. It corners like a damn sports car. I can haul things like a truck with 11,000 pound towing capacity. It's literally bulletproof. I can drive through 3 feet of water. I can jack this thing up 17 inches. I can go places that a freaking Jeep would love to go. I don't give a shit. This thing is the bomb. So, seriously, check it out. Sorry, I love my cars. That's one thing my cars and my tech. Those are my jam. Love your faces. All right. Coach, reel it back in. I will. I'm on it. Thank you. Again, we've already posted all the hot stock pics. Yeah, the steer by wire. Oh, it's nice. Oh. Woo. It's going to be an exciting day. I can see right now SPY is flat. Apple is up. Qs are flat. Tesla is down 1.3%. Tesla was up 3.5% yesterday, but Tesla is down right now. Yes, the suspension is cast aluminum, which I know everybody's like, oh, I hate it. It's amazing. I don't care what you see out there. Oh, by the way, it's also the #1 selling EV truck. It's also the highest safety rating vehicle. It's also the fastest EV truck on the road. And as soon as I get my battery pack that goes into the trunk, it will also be the longest EV truck on the road. So take that, haters. Woo! It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a good day.
It's always a good day with ADT in my life.
Oh, thank you, man. I appreciate your checks in the mail. For the kind comments. Somebody said how many miles on one charge? 300. But when I get the pack, it's going to be about 480. 480. Somebody says it's a hype car. Influencers are buying it for the clout. Listen, I didn't buy it for the clout. I mean, I'm literally sitting in a park. Nobody's near me. I don't know if I really consider myself an influencer, but that's not why I bought it. I just love vehicles and I love this. I love that it's an actual full truck. and it drives like a sports car, and it's fast as hell, and it's bulletproof, right? It's so many, and I don't have to worry about door dings when some knucklehead parks next to me and like crashes their, it's just gonna ruin their car. You run your door into this, you're gonna ruin your car. I ain't even gonna have a scratch on this thing. So how long does it take to charge? About 4 to 6 hours. If I'm on a supercharger, about 15 to 20 minutes to get to 80%. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, everybody always asks. I'm just talking about it. We got a little bit of time to kill just because people don't really understand it and all the things. But it's amazing. It's amazing. If you guys remind me later, I'll take you on a little tour. I like to do that every once in a while. I'm with you on that, Conatron. I 100%. Yes, I agree. Does Dow typically follow the same trend as SPY? Not always. But we'll see what it does today. Remember, SPY is pretty heavily influenced by the Magnificent Seven, right? The 7 tech stocks. That's what typically drives SPY. That's why SPY had a 35 or 33% increase last year, all from NVIDIA, right? Do I ever trade penny stocks? Every day. Every single day. We trade penny, we trade, large cap, mid cap, small, doesn't matter. We also trade stocks, options, futures, and crypto here. So if you guys are interested in any of those, we trade all of them. Which do you prefer, Qs or VOO long term? It just depends. I mean, what are you after? I like VOO, but it really depends. They're both great. Thank you for those follows. I appreciate it. Now listen, if you guys are interested at any time in joining us, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You can click on pricing or scroll down. You can join the Discord for free. Good morning, Cool Spirit. Good to see you. Okay, so you guys can join us at any time. If you want one of the paid memberships, they start at $125 a month. That does get you access. Like again, I said, the hot stock picks, the pre-market setup, the videos on demand, and you can start working with us at 8:45 to 4 p.m. every single day. This on the roof, this is my Starlink Mini. This is the Starlink. This is running everything in the car. Yep. I just installed that new mount yesterday. If you guys are interested in the VIP membership, which I highly recommend, by the way, and is on sale, if you guys get the VIP membership, you guys will get early access, which is 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day access. So that's 12 hours of training, about 60 hours per week, as long as the market is open, and all sorts of goodies. How long have I been trading for? 33 years. Which one has the highest return? It depends. Do I have an affiliate link for Starlink? Yes, I do. Go over to my discounts. I do have an affiliate for it. How do I join? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. What's the biggest lesson you've learned in 33 years? I would say those rules that I've created for risk management. Yes, VIP is on sale. You can get the VIP and the VIP Gold right now, $1,500 for both for the first 6 months. What strategy is my bread and butter? Well, I don't know. I've got a lot of them. It really depends on what you want to do. I like to scalp more now because I've been doing this for so long, but my 2-minute EWO strategy, which I designed and developed after over 3 decades of doing this, is one of the best, I think, one of the best strategies you can do. And you can see that David, one of our training moderators, is over there doing it every day. He's made over $500,000 with just this strategy. He does it every single day. Over in the VIP Gold area, the live Apple chat, you guys can gain access to that. Thank you for those hearts. Or the roses, I'm sorry. So yes. But other than that, I mean, I do lots of stuff. So my larger accounts, obviously, I'm doing covered calls, cash secure puts. I'm doing more wheel option strategies. If you guys are holding on to anything long-term, you definitely want to look at some different strategies that we have. If you're interested in that, I also have a mentorship class that I do every Thursday from 11 to noon. So that's something you guys can get. We also have a diamond membership, which includes all of our memberships, which are lifetime for everything we have today and any new memberships that we have for tomorrow. Right now, with the memberships that I have earmarked, it's about $50,000 of value. So if you guys are interested in that, check out the Diamond, and you guys can pay for that in 4 installment payments. 4 installment payments to get the Diamond. But right now, the best deal going on is that VIP Gold Complete. We'll have it posted in every channel right now for $1,500 for the first 6 months. After that, it will renew for a discount at $2,800. But that's basically the premium, the VIP, and the VIP Gold all wrapped into one. So definitely check it out. If you guys have any questions ever, over on our Discord, just go to the new members start here. Scroll down, you'll see the FAQ, the terms of service, any and all the affiliate programs we have. So if you guys want to open like a Webull account or TradingView or whatever, if you use my free affiliate links, you get stuff, I get stuff, everybody wins. But if you go to the membership info, there's a complete breakdown of everything, all the products and services, and exactly what you get, okay? Do I live in my Cybertruck? No. Could I? Maybe. I love my truck. I like being in it every chance I get. I also trade at the house, obviously. But I'm telling you, the warmer it gets, the more I'm going to be in this. I absolutely love it. I'm 50 and still working full-time office job. Is it even worth it for me? Yes, absolutely. I've got members in here who literally have changed their lives completely in the last 2 years. Right? And I'm not to say that everybody's going to do it, but I've already made 10 or 11 people now multi-millionaires. So, will everybody do that? Nope, not at all. A lot of you will quit before you even consider it. You will just get out. Yeah, age is a number, man. Don't worry about that. Yeah, right there. Mark just posted in American Dream Trading over on TikTok. He is fully retired and now a training moderator at American Dream Trading. Mark right there. He just posted for you. He's literally retired. If you guys saw how much Mark was making, you would crap an egg roll now. Yes, it's never too late. Listen, I was 49 years old when I went live doing American Dream Trading. I was 49 years old when I started over. I used to be a vice president for an IT company, and I ran all my own IT companies. I did that for 18 years on my own, right? I worked for the largest companies in the world, and police departments and FBI, and doing all the things, and hospitals and entire school districts, all sorts of stuff, right? I've done everything you could imagine out there, right? And I started all over again with American Dream Trading. Now, I've already been helping people, and I've already been a trader, and I've done it for so long, it was kind of second nature. I had YouTube tech channels. I did that for 10 years and all the stuff that goes along with that. I coached football for 10 years, baseball for 6 years, right? All these things that kind of, lead me to where I am today. So I started over at 49 from a full-time IT career path, one of the highest certified engineers in the world, by the way, leading the industry, Microsoft Partner of the Year, all sorts of the stuff, right? And I started over at 49. It's never too late. It's never too late. It really isn't, right? Now, American Dream Trading has been in business for 5 years, but I didn't go live until 2 years and 7 months ago. Right? And I knew that this is what I wanted to do. This was my passion, and that's why I'm here every day. I'm here every day from 9 to 11, and I have been every single day through eye surgeries and Rona, and right, there's been so many things in the last 2 years, almost 3 years now. I'm here every day, by the way, from 9 to 11, and then Mark trains every day for futures from 2 to 4 live for you guys, all for free. And then we have the aftermarket show at 5 o'clock every day, where Dawn and the crew comes in, talks about the day, things that happen, more education, more training, the psychology of what's going on. Last night it was awesome. We had Palm and F2 and Eminem, and we had everybody up on there last night. I got to watch a lot of it. So make sure you guys check out the aftermarket. It's an amazing show. Old School Trucker, thank you. Been here since I saw you the first time. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Do me a favor, if you guys are watching over here on American Dream Trading, double tap that screen. We get to 300 concurrent viewers. I'm going to give away some money today. Get to 100,000 likes, I'll also do a giveaway. Love you too, man. I appreciate you. Oh, is it good? Okay. Yeah, I haven't heard the internet going up and down quite as bad today. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Work in progress. Good to have you all here, though. We got about 5 minutes to the bell. It's going to get fast and furious. Listen, let's go over some of the rules real quick. Okay, I need you to understand these so you don't come in and blow up your accounts, losing a bunch of money. Number one, never lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value ever in any given day. If you have 2 red trading days in a row, take a month off. You're done. You're cooked. Don't do it anymore, all right? While you are training, paper trade, simulate trading only. I don't want you using real money at all. I don't want you guys running into any problems with that, okay? So don't do that. Make sure you guys have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares, options, futures, or crypto. Always have a stop. I'm seeing a lot of these new influencers. I've been doing this for 8 years, telling people not to put stops on lists, and they don't know what the hell they're doing at all. And I mean at all. Don't listen to this garbage. It's a bunch of crap, okay? Don't listen to these kids at 3 o'clock in the morning that are trying to do stuff before they're going to the regular day job. That ain't how this works, right? We are the largest, right, stock market education company and the fastest growing for a reason, because we want to make sure you understand about risk management, and that's where our rules come from. All right, make sure you guys are using small position sizes. Don't swing for the fences. Small position sizes. We started the whole thing, by the way, with base hits that I now see all the other people talking about. We've been doing this longer than all of them. I've been around the block. I know almost all of the owners, by the way, of all the other stock market companies. Guess where they go when they are done with their lives after half an hour of you guys not being able to answer or get any questions answered? They come right here to see how American Dream Trading is doing it. Ed says, stock trading from a Cybertruck. Yeah, you're credible. I love that. So anyways, make sure to follow all the rules. Journal every single day. You must journal. Listen, if you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. If you're an experienced trader, watch that first 3 minutes and the last 9 minutes of the day. Those are the most volatile, where the algo bots just start going crazy. Make sure you guys are watching for news. If there's any news out there, please be careful. Right? You don't want to trade into news if you don't know what you're doing. If you hear us calling out a hot stock pick, but you don't know what that is or how to trade it, don't. Okay? Don't get FOMO, fear of missing out. I don't want anybody running into that, okay? I want you to understand the mechanics. I want you to understand how this works and what we do every day before you guys start using real money or doing anything silly where you're going to blow up your account, okay? So, where do you watch for news? I'm usually on Benzinga. No, I have not sent it in yet for the recall. But yeah, I have not. It's just one piece of metal that they need to re-glue. I'm not worried about it. Any other questions? All right, we've got 1 minute. 1 minute to the bell. Now, moderators, you're going to have to help me with the microphones. Please don't have Palm doing that. Palm is one of our largest traders in the room. I do not want him worried about muting microphones, okay? Let him trade. Moderators, if one of you are not trading, it'd be a great time for you guys to handle the mics and all the other stuff. And again, thank you guys that are watching out. Remember, real quick, 30 seconds, we will never friend request you. We will never direct message you. I am never going to ask, how are you doing? I don't have time for that crap. Right? We've got 150,000 followers across my social media platforms. That's not me. There's a bunch of fake accounts out there. You are not allowed to direct message each other or you will be banned. If I catch you direct messaging on my Discord, you will be banned. We don't do it. We have a full help desk ticket system with 20 moderators standing by, okay? Somebody take Ed T and go ahead and mute him the rest of the day over on American Dream Trading. Thank you. All right, here we go, guys. Remember, I am going to be trading live off of my prop firm account today. Here we go. Looks like we're getting a little bit of a pop here over on SPY and ES futures. Apple to the downside. Tesla to the downside big time over there on Tesla. Starting to get a nice little pop here over on ES. Just being cautious, waiting, wait, be patient. Everybody be patient.
Coach, I just scalped 50 on Tesla puts.
Yes! Good job. ES still getting a little bit of a pop. If I can get this to break, or SPY over there, same thing. If I can get this to break that VWAP area, I will look at longing it. But I want to wait because Apple's pulling, Tesla's pulling, Qs are pulling. So I don't want to be going long on SPY, right? When I'm seeing all that nonsense. I've got to be patient.
Let's stock peak PI moving up.
Thank you.
AMD above pre-market, nice green candle to start.
Thank you. Perfect call-outs. Remember, if you guys see any 2-minute EWOs, please let us know, especially if you can catch it on the first indicator. Second, is great, but if we catch it on the first one, let us know, okay? Yeah, Alejandro.
GTI to the upside.
Thank you. Alejandro, that'll never be me. I know there's about 200 fake accounts with my name on it. All right, let's see. Tesla's still pulling back here. Q's starting to get a little hot, but I am waiting for SPY to pull back. See everything else coming down. I'm waiting for SPY to pull off this 200 MA and VWAP. But we'll see, because if Apple goes green and starts to drive, yep, then SPY's going to go with it. Q's starting to pop, Tesla's starting to pop.
Order filled.
Going to get in small here. Remember, I'm going to be trading smaller today, like I'm supposed to. Trading smaller off this 150K Combine account through Top Step, not affiliated with them at all. Not trying to sell you anything. See if this can stay up above this 200. I'm going to give this some breathing room. Tesla still crashing out to the downside.
Order filled.
Looks like I took an L on that trade. SPY to the downside here, and ES futures could not hold. Oh yeah.
Order filled.
The Qs are flushing. Tesla's flushing. Everything's falling apart.
Order filled.
Watching the 2-minute on ES, coach. It's getting bigger on the red.
Yep, I see it. I'm to the downside with SPY and ES futures here now. Yes, flushing out big time over here. Micro double bottom on.
Order filled.
I'm going to take that micro double bottom right here on SPY and ES futures. Be careful, little baby bounce. I'm going to look for this to pull a little bit after it breaks through here, but this, I took my puts. Waiting for it to break this level, and then I'll short it again.
Order filled.
Just went in. Small. Little dab will do ya. If it keeps breaking this area, I'll add more.
Hot stock peak SURG moving up, coach. Good.
Thank you. SPY bouncing off this little double bottom, little micro double bottom. Still heavy. That's why I went in small here. Still pulling. Q's getting a little bit of a bounce. Still heavy.
Order filled.
SPY starting to bounce. Apple picking up to the upside. SPY fighting the 9 here. Getting a nice little bounce off that double bottom. Did anybody get in on that little micro double bottom on SPY?
Huge great candle on the upside on Apple.
Yep, I see it. Same with the Qs.
She'll help SPY.
Order filled.
Tesla still to the downside. SPY getting a huge pop here.
Same with the Qs.
Order filled.
SPY with a massive pop. Wow, right?
Euro double bottom.
Thank you. Tesla is getting a little bit of a bounce. Apple with a big bounce there too. Same with the Qs. Little bit of a pullback here. Tesla, man, that had a big old momentum to the downside. SPY still to the upside above VWAP. Getting a nice move to the upside still here on SPY. Tesla, same thing. Big bounce off of support at 280.50.
PLTR slowly climbing.
Thank you. Is that Freddie? Still back.
No, I think that was Esteban.
Oh, was it?
Holding your high.
Thank you.
Your brother Esteban.
Hey, what's up? Good to see you. Sorry, I can't see all my names up here. Good to see you.
Freddie stopped by yesterday, Coach.
Oh, good, good.
Yeah, yesterday morning.
Good. I've got a ticket open for SPY triple top.
Euro still launching.
Thank you. Yes, I hope you're making a mint on that, Mark.
You know it.
Thank you. All right, here we go. SPY up here. Big level to the upside. Oh, look at it flush as soon as it touched the top. Oh, my.
Order filled.
Did you guys see that on SPY? Off that, who got
Yeah.
that triple top?
Yeah, it just blew right past my stop. Didn't even blink.
It's fighting to come back up. That was crazy, right? Just the blink of an eye.
Order rejected.
Oops, too large. Too large. Can't trade that much off
Got
this.
open mics, people.
Order filled.
Looking right here to see if SPY will reject this area or take off again to the upside.
Order filled.
Taking off. Look at SPY go.
Order filled.
Woo!
Nice, nice.
Yep, SPY is out of here. Apple still kind of chopping sideways a bit. SPY is just a monster right here. Tesla getting this decent
Order
move
filled.
to the upside. SPY with a nice run up, huh? Beautiful. Tesla bouncing off that 55. Wait and see what that wants to do.
But I would like to see SPY to stay above 576, and it's not there yet.
Right. Yeah, and it's up on that upper band that we've got on our 2-minute EWO. Everybody see it?
Yeah. I mean, it shoot it and then it got pushed right back.
Yep.
Coach, a lot of shorts against Tesla still.
Yeah, oh yeah, I agree, partner. For sure. There goes SPY, getting pushed right back down to previous area right here. It's now on support.
I don't know if you heard it. We had a pretty good afternoon session watching the squeeze on Tesla yesterday. Could happen again today.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I did not hear, but yes, I'm loving that.
I mean, Tesla went insane for the last hour. It's not yesterday.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Here we go. SPY is now on support, which was once resistance. So we'll see if this
Order filled.
see if this will break through. Just shorted it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Nice pullback.
VVPR is having a day today. Well, Coach.
Thank you. Good to know.
Up 80%.
Did you guys hear that?
What's the symbol?
VVPR.
VVPR.
Yeah, this is the one that got the offer for 120 million.
Oh, right. Thank you.
I think NVIDIA is what's pulling SPY down, Coach.
Yeah, absolutely. You guys are in these puts, these shorts, right?
Order
And they
filled.
doubled up from pre-market and yesterday too.
Yes, nice job. Apple to the upside over there now. Apple is first 2-minute EWO on Apple. First 2-minute EWO on Apple. SPY's up here tapping that resistance again. That was a nice short off that level. I'm still shorting SPY and ES futures here. I've got my stop above that resistance level. So if it decides to pop and run, it will stop me out. It's respecting the 21, so it could pop up. Apple still moving up.
Order filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
Respected the 21. Longing it off of this move. Same thing, stop below. We'll let this work right here. Tesla coming up on this micro double top. Careful. SPY sitting in this same support area was the previous triple top. So broke through, came back down, retested. That's bullish.
Close to green to red too, Coach.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Good to know. Oh, yep, I see it. Thank you. I missed that yesterday. Glad you said that. Thank you.
Order filled.
Yeah, Q's still pulling. SPY's pulling. Apple's staying up tall.
Amazon is also to the downside.
Thank you.
Still pulling.
Yeah, SPY pulling pretty hard here now. Oh, yeah, big old pull on SPY. Woo!
Yeah, everything is pulling.
Wow. Back down to the bottom here again on SPY. What a pull, huh? Nice, nice. Good to see you all.
Thank you.
RS6 Queen. I'm not a scalper. I'm a day swing trader, so I guess you're scalping then. Good. Yeah, we do everything here. Yep, we do a little bit of everything. Right now, of course, I'm scalping, but we would have already set up for the swing. SPY down on support. Looking to see what this wants to do here. This is support for SPY. Be careful. Wait for it to break if you're not in here already. Nice. Look at this. Qs are flushing out to the downside. Same thing. Apple pulling back. SPY pulling back.
Order filled.
SPY right here. Little dab will do ya.
SPY is also on the second right EW.
Thank you. Just be careful. SPY and ES futures is on support right here, right? So be careful. If it breaks through that, I'm gonna.
Gotta wait.
Yeah, if it breaks through that, I'm gonna hammer it. Keeps tapping it.
Order filled.
There she goes. Yep, there it
This
is.
is nuts.
Yep, that's nice. Q's still flushing out. Tesla flushing out.
Order filled.
I just accidentally did that. I meant to move it. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. Sell. Everything's still a race to the bottom. Careful again, though. SPY still on support.
Order filled.
Oh, boy. She is heavy.
I had a question, Coach.
Go ahead.
People see it. My hands up.
Go ahead. Yeah, I won't.
I had a trend line on SPY from December, and right now for the last
2.5 days now, it's banged up against that trend line, but it hasn't broken through that trend line.
Okay.
Your thoughts?
I won't know unless we looked at it, but I mean it's on a major level then, right?
Yeah, it's bumping up against the major level here.
Yep. Here we go. SPY still pulling. Just be careful. Still support.
Needs 576.61 to break back through that.
Thank you.
Channel. Yeah, I counted like 9 times in the last 2.5 days.
Oh wow. SPY and ES future still trying down here. See what it wants to do. Still heavy, but we're still at support. Extremely heavy though. Shorting it here. Waiting for this to bleed out right here. Getting greedy. I want to see a little more.
574.50 was an important line yesterday for resistance and support.
Thank you. Yeah, it just hit that.
I sold and flipped it there for a quick grab.
Thank you. Still in the short just because there's so much strength to the downside, but there we go. Come on. It's just sitting here. I could take the 1,000 or wait, but I'm looking for the bigger pull here. Just riding this spot. Come on, pull. There we go. Come on. There we go. There it is. That's the move. Keep going.
What I wanted to see right there.
Yeah, me too. Yep. I'm still in it. I'm being a little greedy. I saw
Everything is pulling now.
$2,000 right here.
Yeah, left one runner in there.
There we go.
100%.
There we go. There we go. Yes. Yes.
Order filled.
Just took it. $4,100.
Good job, coach.
Thank you.
Very nice.
573.40 if we get a continuation.
Beautiful. And this phase of the combine, done. It took me 24 minutes. Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Who's your daddy? That was 15 contracts on ES shorting. Days P&L, $4,100. Remember, I can only get up to like 43.50 is the maximum I can go, so I can't get too much higher than that. Otherwise, the 50% consistency rule will be screwed on me. So that's it. So I can goof around, make $200 in my sleep, and then do it again tomorrow. Just a like of that. Did anybody get in on that short with me?
Yep, I grabbed the break and took it down to that 574.06.
Yes.
I did, coach. Thank you.
Yes, nice.
Coach, following the 2 minute.
I flipped it back into calls. Sold it.
946 right after that first 15-minute candle.
5 minutes to shift change.
Yes, nice job. On
And Google and Yellow just broke its bottom.
Thank you. I've got a gold level here on ES at 58.13. So SPY, it's probably going to be 574. Just be careful. I do have a gold level there from previous. So 574.
574.20.
Yep. So
Yeah, I got
574.
Coach, just $1 off.
Is it? Okay. 574 on SPY and 58.13 gold on ES. So just be careful. See what it wants to do. Still pulling. Still very heavy.
73.40. Come on. I need a new shoe.
Yeah. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. Let's go. Nice, nice. Sitting right on this level. Oh, you know what? I can do these small trades to get that 200 bucks.
Order filled.
Tesla double bottom.
Yep, yep.
Order filled.
We're on this gold level down here.
Order filled.
This is so heavy. I'm going to short it. I've only got such a small amount in it that I'm not super concerned.
Come on down here with me, Coach.
Yeah, yeah. Come on down. Oh, yeah. Come on, baby.
Tesla is gone.
Yeah, Tesla's lights out. So are the Qs. So is SPY.
Amazon.
There we go. There we go. There it is. There it goes. Yes.
Need a break and hold right here.
Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Just added.
It's yesterday's low.
Yes.
Love it. Yes.
There it is,
Order
Coach.
filled.
Done.
At my goal right there.
Yep, same. $4,300. I don't need to make a penny more, and I am done. $4,300, and it is now 9:57. That's pretty good for 27 minutes worth of work.
145%, Coach.
Oh, nice.
That's off of my runner.
Oh, I love it. Man, runners are the greatest thing ever. Just let them go, gang, right?
Now at 160%.
It's beautiful.
Taking candy from a baby.
It really is. It's just glorious. Glorious. Oh, crap. I got to do this little. Hold on. By the way, as I'm sitting here and people are, talking smack about my truck, the older elderly couple just drove by waving and thumbs up in, and yep,
Did you see the picture I posted last night?
I did. That was hilarious.
Right?
Yeah, I love it. Apple's still
I feel
flat.
that much.
Yeah, it was hilarious. Apple's still flat. SPY finding support at 575.35. I've got 573 as a gold level now.
1 minute to shift change.
Oh, volume in 50 seconds.
572.84 again.
Thank you. SPY back up to
The only one that did not
574.
tank was Apple.
Yeah, it's just sideways. I know that our 2-minute EWO riders would love for that thing to make a move one way or the other.
Shifting.
There we go, volume.
Good morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Good morning. Just made $670 something in 10 minutes. I'm done.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Way
Nice.
to go, hey girl, hey.
Hey, girl, hey.
Hey, girl, hey. Now listen.
Girl, hey.
Now listen,
Hey, hey, hey.
Christina.
Yes.
No more trading today.
Oh, okay.
You said you made your
Even
money.
little?
No, you
I
said
know, but
you.
I like to make a little bit more.
Stop
Also,
it. You
oh, come on, just maybe one more.
you better be going real small, young lady.
I am.
All right.
Yes,
Oh,
I promise.
all right.
I'm not giving it back.
Yeah, yeah. I'm talking. Now listen, I'm talking. Now, I'm talking Tom Cruise small. All right, like little. Okay.
That sounds kind of personal.
Well, I'm just saying, right? Now, I would typically say Danny DeVito, but that's real small. So I'm going to let you, right? Now, this can be a combination Kevin Hart, Tom Cruise, Danny DeVito, and you figure out which one you want to go with.
I am, have you? You don't know how short
Well, I'm just telling you. You get to pick.
Apple is falling right now.
I'll go.
Yep, I see it.
So, where's Spy?
Spy's sitting on the floor here.
Yup.
At 573, 574. That was a big level for Spy.
I think if Apple break its bottom, Spy's gonna go with it.
Yeah, the weird thing is Spy and Apple are not working in tandem at all today.
No.
So,
it will eventually.
because think
When
about
it does, it's gonna be fun.
think about this, guys. When that Apple just did that big blood red candle, it didn't even phase Spy at all, did it?
Nope. Hey, Coach, do they change the weighting in SPY of the different stocks that are in that index?
They change it every quarter. They adjust, but
Correct.
Apple doesn't necessarily mean that it's. I mean, it's just one small component of the.
Yeah, it's 8% of all of Spy.
Whoa, shit.
Well, Apple just rebounded and Spy reacted.
Yep. It might be
Thank you, Coach,
7%.
for watching the 2 minute, I caught that bounce.
Yeah, nice. That's why I said too. This 573, 574. That's a heavy range, right?
Right, and I'm out because it's against the grain at the moment.
Right. K Dot, we have no idea what you're talking about over on American Dream Trading. If you want to talk about your stuff, just explain it a little better. If you're trying to make some sort of point, we might want to use the language that everybody can understand. So let's go ahead and try to get out the words you are saying, and then we will see. Thank you. Listen.
Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside.
Thank you. Listen, if you guys are going to come in clowning, can you at least form a sentence? That'd be great. Please, if you guys want to come in clowning, can you at least form a sentence? That'd be great. Thank you. Apple, double bottom. Don't think you're higher than me. I don't know what you're talking about. Listen, again. Oh, never mind. You just got muted.
Yeah, that's enough for that.
Yeah, we're done. But seriously, gang, listen, if you guys want to communicate to us, just form a sentence so we can read it and try to understand it. That would be great. Here we go. Spy pulling off the 21 to the downside. That's a nice move right there to the downside. See that pullback? Ooh, I like that. Everybody saw it. It tapped it twice and pulled.
Yep, a minute.
And that had huge volume right there. So, all right. What that tells me is we're going to start to see a lot of volume coming in here in a minute. Be careful. They just did it a second ago. We were not seeing candles like that, right? Those candles were not doing that at all on the 1 minute, and that just shot up. So be careful. The algos are going to start kicking in, and you're going to see a lot of either spikes or drops, but the candles are going to move faster. Be careful now. Do you hear the sound of my voice?
Yes, thank you, Coach.
Yes, I'm telling you.
Right spot right now.
I'm telling you, the algos are going to kick in here in a minute. I can see it off that last spike.
Gotta wait.
Chad, I saw that. That was hilarious. Did you guys see that? That Cybertruck drive around, he had a Toyota logo on the back.
Yeah, that was so much fun.
I was just dying. Yeah. What's going on, Nick? Sorry, I didn't see it. Apple bounced off that double bottom we called earlier. Be careful. Starting to get a little squirrely here. Well, this is the second candle since I said SPY is going to start getting volume. And I said, watch it, the next couple minutes, we're going to start seeing some ridiculousness. I'm telling you, I can sense it. I could tell off that candle 3 minutes ago it got squirrely. Just tapped the 21, third time in a row. Well, not in a row, but third time off the 21 EMA. If you got, that means if you guys are scalping, put your stop above the 21, right? If you guys are in shorts. If you guys are in longs, put your stop below that 573, about 573, right? A little lower than that. Does that make sense, gang? So depending on which way, and then if you don't know which way to go, straddle. Run them both. Let it decide.
To react to Apple.
Yes.
The bottom of all those candles on SPY is starting to go up, isn't it, Coach?
That's correct. Yeah, you got 3 in a row pushing up.
Reacting to Apple.
Yep.
I'm telling you. Starting to work the right way.
That's still heavy as crap.
Right now.
Listen up. Listen up, gang. This ain't, I'm not telling you this is bottom for SPY. This thing is still downside. This is all downside trend. Do not get excited. Don't try to long this thing. This is not where you long it. Do you understand me?
I do now. Thanks, Coach.
Yeah, I don't give a shit what those candles are doing. You are so against the grain if you try to long this here.
Yeah, this is just a pause because that's all.
Yep, you get, I'm telling you, you guys get some volume in here. This thing is gone. You're going to drop new low.
You talk sense into me, Coach. I was lost.
I know, and I know because the greed side of us like, well, this has got to be it. It's consolidating. It's moving up. We're starting to, see some candles getting pushed up. Hell no. I'm going to wait. Now, again, I told you, if you wanted to get into a quick scalp, it needs to be above that 21, and then you're only going to get between the 21 and VWAP. So it's a small area. Otherwise, SPY is still to the what side?
Downside.
Yes. So do you? Yeah.
TSLL goes to double bottom, Coach.
Thank you.
Tesla yellow.
Thank you. Remember, the trend is your friend. Just don't go against the grain. That's like getting in front of the train tracks. Just wait. Just be patient. You guys start trying to always guess the top or the bottom, you're just going to get cut up.
Tesla shorts off the 9, paying off beautifully. Just broke double bottom.
Yep. And there you go. There goes SPY. New low a day.
Yep.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome.
Like a father telling.
Yeah.
This is in front of the train.
You're like, I want to go long though.
Thanks, Coach. I made good on that one.
Oh, good job. Now that is a micro double bottom, right? So we're on support, micro double bottom. Now here's what you need to know. The 9 is getting really close to this bottom. You see it? So it's starting to get into a pinch spot. So everybody on your screen, draw the area, right? That is a pop or drop situation. Look at that.
Ask Coach. I haven't heard the 30-second in a long time out of the side of our eye. Are you sort of ignoring that if we're doing the 1 minute on the bottom of SPY?
Yeah, it's up to you. I mean, it's really up to you. If you're really quick scalping, the 30 is great. 30-second if you're doing the 30-second. Are you looking at the 30-minute or the 30-second?
I'm looking at similar 30-second. It's 100 ticks and it's
Yeah.
moving real fast.
Yeah, yeah.
To the
Yep.
bottom.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it's bouncing that double bottom.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna listen to you.
But yeah, now listen. Yeah, oh yeah, that's beautiful. We're starting to run out of runway here, guys. Do you see it?
Yes, Coach, I do.
I don't trade.
Waiting patiently.
Yeah, I don't trade this here. Do you hear the sound of my voice? I don't touch this right here, okay?
Nope.
Will you not touch it until it gets above the 21?
Correct. 21 long. Otherwise, waiting for this to break down on this 573 to short it. Yep.
Thank you.
Yep. Here's what it'll look like. I'll put it on my screen now. It will look just like... Now remember, if you end up longing it above that 21, you only got till VWAP. There's not a lot of space up there, and you are going against the grain. So me, personally, I would just wait for this to break down here, make new low, hammer those downside. More than I would want to go upside. Make sense? Because that's against the grain.
Gotcha. Thanks, Coach.
Yep. But I'm saying this is running out of runway here, which means it's going to get a lot of volume in the next... Probably the next candle. You guys are going to see a massive volume change. You got, yeah, 10 seconds. New candle in 3, 2, 1. New candle, and we're almost out of runway right here. Look at that. That's probably the last spot. You're going to get volume here. Now, if I'm right, you got to tip all the moderators. Deal? When we get massive volume on this candle, everybody's got to tip the moderators. That's it. You hear the sound of my voice?
You tip the moderators, Coach, regardless, because they do a lot of work.
Thank you.
They help us.
Thank you, but you're going to tip them today. Looking for volume. 20 seconds. This is the last candle in the runway. There's nowhere to go. There's literally nowhere to go. The 9 is so tight. This is the top. Look at it, just squeeze. I thought it was that candle, but there's kind of room here. I guess this is the candle. There's no room left. This is it. You can't squeeze another candle in there. This is it. There it goes. Just tried to break the 21. Look at the volume. Look at the volume. There's no room left. That's why I said it's pop or drop.
All Big 7 have a little bit of a rebound right now. This is just a rebound.
Meanwhile, McDonald's is making a 2-week high.
Oh, thank you. Is that MCD?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
574, 31 is everything.
There it goes. There it is. Look at this. You see how it broke out of that little area that I had down there for the first time?
Yep. That's why you wait.
Genius.
Now don't forget.
I told everybody wait,
Tip,
wait, and wait.
Tip your moderators, damn it. Don't be a cheap ass. I'm watching you. Oh. There you go. Give it. Give. Show them some love.
That's only a break candle out of that triangle, right?
Yeah, yep. Tried to break through this pattern. It hit that 574.25, which is where I said I would go long after that 574.25, but it was very short to the upside. That's why I said meat on the bone, right? Don't like that at all. I do not like trying to short something if I don't have a lot of upside. Now, VWAP was below this. I would love it much more because then I got a huge gap back to the upside. But VWAP's going to be the next level of resistance. And I've only got, less than $1. Like, that's just not enough room for me, right? So the trend is still which way?
To hit another new low.
Which way is the trend still?
To the downside.
Down. Tesla new low.
Looking off of that 574.08.
Good job.
I mean, look at Tesla. Holy cow.
It never broke and hold, Coach.
That's right.
Never did the break and hold off the triangle.
That's right. Yeah, and I was looking at, I've got it marked 574.25 on my screen. See it?
Yep.
Because that would be enough room.
Nice.
Because that would be enough room away from the 21 that I would have longed it. But again, it would have been so small that it's just, to me, it's not even worth it. It's just, it's so tiny. Go ahead, Nana. Sorry about that.
No, you're the coach. It's your show.
Get out of here. I don't mean to interrupt you guys.
Plus the EWO never tripped or anything.
Yeah, right. Yeah, oh my gosh. If you guys are in the 2-minute EWO off of SPY. So nice.
Glorious.
It really is. Let me draw it. So this is the candle you would have gotten into right here. And the rest of this is just gravy, right?
It's sitting on that support right there, 573.60 about.
Yeah, that's why I said 573, 574. That's that major level, right?
There we go. To bring it on back down.
I mean, look at this channel here. Just channeling.
You know what else is making money on Tesla? Look at that sucker. Downside again.
Yeah, let me pull that up. Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. 4.5%. Woo. Do you guys remember? You heard Palm?
That's my Huckleberry right now.
That's what I was going to say. You guys heard Palm this morning. He had 50 on that, shorting it. Beautiful.
All right, look at the SPY. Come on down.
SPY is about to go down, coach.
Yep.
Watch SPY.
Yep, I see it.
572.84, the next one.
Yeah, and I've got 573. Yep.
572.84.
Downside.
Which one to the downside?
The Qs.
572.84.
Oh, somebody else said something. Missed it.
Sorry, Coach. The Qs.
Q's. Oh, yep, I see it. Absolutely. Whose ass did I save was SPY when you guys were trying to long that damn thing?
You saved mine, Coach. Thanks.
Yeah, that's brutal, right? Listen, that's only from experience. That's only from experience trying to do that a million times, just so you know, right? I've tried that. And I'll still try to do that, which is silly. There it goes, SPY new low. There it goes. There it is.
There you go. Target me.
Oh my god.
572.80.
Nice job. Wow. That was glorious, gang.
4K out of that. 4K.
Oh, nice job. Beautiful.
Been in the NQ 2-minute EWO forever.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Wow.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Was that Ange?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you. I remember how hard and long you fought me on the damn 2-minute EWO.
I've seen the light.
I've seen the light. Hey, listen, don't you worry. You're right, it'll happen. It'll happen. And I told you guys throughout your journey, your trading styles will change, right? It will change. It'll change. It always does. But I'm so happy for you. That is so nice. Oh my gosh.
My new Tesla's gonna have the milk money license plate.
Yes. Yes.
That's an over 800 tick drop there, Coach, on her NQ.
Yep. Yep.
Tesla, it's crazy.
That's crazy. Have you been in it all 8? Did you start that on the 2-minute?
I did.
Oh my gosh. You gotta be schnikering me. And it never broke and held through VWAP, so she was able to sustain it. Gang. Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at Spy.
Created another monster. And
Yes.
I created an EWO monster this time. This is the entry, and this is where it's at.
I hate getting beat by a girl, Coach, but man, am I thrilled to death for her.
Yes, me too. I'm so excited. So excited. I love it.
Spy's not done, Coach.
It's beautiful.
It's not done.
Thank you. Just remember when you guys go get those tattoos, it's ADT, American Dream Trading. All right, here we go.
Man, does that mean I gotta get rid of the one I just put that says Coach?
Yes. The Coach.
The I Heart Coach.
Yeah, I heart Coach. And remember,
I got matching tattoos.
yeah, remember Jackass when he had a picture of himself on his back?
I hate rooting against my IRA like this, but the day trading portfolio is looking pretty good.
Yeah, isn't that funny how it'll flip flop?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy. I know, same, right? Just 401ks are, but think about it. 401ks, that's the long game. Who gives a crap on these micro moves?
Exactly.
Yeah. And the crazy thing is once you guys get good, the 401k will look like the side hustle and the day trading will look like the real money. You know what I mean?
Someday, Coach, someday.
Yeah. Stay in it. Stay involved. This is beautiful. Tesla still to the downside. Same with the Q. Same with SPY. And Apple. 2-minute EWO downside. Apple's a 6-star trade to the downside here.
Breaking news. One of our Fed governors came out and just said no legitimate use for crypto.
Oh gosh. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Thought we got rid of that administration. The fuck.
How's Bitcoin doing? That would be interesting.
Following spot. It's down to 86,000 right now.
Okay, this is what happened. We got a FOMO thing.
SPY getting a bounce off of 572.50. Small bounce. Apple doing the same. Q's and Tesla following suit. Let me look, Junior. And Nvidia still just straight down. Still respecting the 9 EMA all the way down on the 2-minute for Nvidia. No, I'm not looking for any reversals. I wouldn't even consider Nvidia reversal at all until we can get back up above VWAP. At least 117, partner. Apple, nice bounce.
Now they're starting to all synchronize. They're all bouncing at the same time. They're all going down at the same time.
Yep, algos are fully kicking in, aren't they, gang?
Yep.
How we doing, everybody? Everybody doing all right?
Yup.
Yes, sir. Just waiting for 571.59 for the next one. Come on.
Good, good. I might go run up and use. I'm right by the restroom. Oh, good. Good, good. I think I'm going to run up and use the restroom. I'm going to leave all the systems up. So, hey, let me know if anybody comes and tries to vandal my truck. You hear me? I'm just going to use my watch to lock and unlock the truck. So, I'll be back. I'll be right back. Yeah. I'm going to touch everything. I'm going to go use the bathroom and touch everything.
Yeah, watch out for those Massachusetts terrorists.
You guys are hilarious. You guys should go check out the picture I posted last night on the Tesla. That's hilarious.
Speedway, so I'm taking profit at the 21. I'll go back in at the brakes to the other side. On the 1 minute.
Good job, Bomb. I don't know if anybody's following GameStop, but GND is up 15%.
Slide to stop.
On GME?
Nope, Tesla.
Oh, gotcha.
PSL outbounds 2.5% to the upside. Be careful.
Yep. Good profit, 21 and re-entered on the break. Watch now you're coming into resistance at 277.30. Might choke a little short of that just because the strength is to the downside. Taking half off. Take the other half off. I'm out.
Was that a short trade there, Palm?
No, I already flipped back into the calls.
Yeah, I know, but when you flip to the calls, was that short-lived?
I just wrote it back up to this last candle right here to the 277 basically.
Yeah, amazing how that works. Good job.
So I sold. I'm on the 1 minute chart, so I actually sold it on the 21 coming in. Then it kept going, so I jumped back in for a quick ride. Now it's starting to settle back a little bit.
Good stuff.
If it holds here, I'll go long again.
Morgan has an interesting little run going.
Yes, testing the 9.
All right, what'd I miss? What happened? Who dat?
Nothing.
Yes, testing the 9, coach.
Thank you.
That was fast, coach. Did you just grab a tree or?
No, it's literally right behind me.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
Grab a tree. Oh my gosh.
How cool is that though? That I can literally control my Cybertruck with my Apple Watch.
Did it have it pick you up?
No, it doesn't have summon yet, but that's supposed to be the next update.
Coach, you are the new Dick Tracy.
Yes, sir. I've been called worse. Don't be a Richard.
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
I love
Remember the old Dick Tracy cartoons?
I do.
And look at us now.
I know it. We're living in it now, right?
Yeah, we're beyond Jetsons.
Yes.
Hey, coach, can I make you host?
Yep, go ahead. Or make Bruno the host. Oh, I'm the host. Bruno, I'll make you the host. Is that cool? I'll wait till he gets in here. That way if I lose signal, it doesn't shut the whole thing down.
I think he texted that he was done for the day. I don't know if that means.
Yeah. He said out golfing or something. I don't know what the hell that was, but yeah, he's out of here.
If he's golfing, tell him to watch out for those terrorists from Massachusetts.
Right. Yeah. That is funny. NQ still to the downside, still respecting the 9. Ange, how we doing over there? You still hanging in there?
He done fell out of her chair.
Yep. She's probably on Tesla.com ordering her new Cybertruck right now.
All right.
Don't forget to use that affiliate link that I have. You guys can save $1,000 to $2,000 right now by using my Tesla discount code.
She's scheduling her nail appointments for the next 5 years.
Right? You guys remember when Ange started? She just wanted some coffee money and money to do her nails, and now she could just buy the whole damn salon and the coffee shop next door.
Yeah, that's fine.
Coffee and manicures.
Yep.
Critical level, yes.
Yep, I see it. Same with that NQ, because I was just watching it for Ange over there, who's no longer in here because she's too busy collecting all that cash.
It's amazing when trading helping you to all with a side hustle and then become the hustle himself.
I know, right? I love that
I mean,
for
last year
all
I was
of
born
you.
to buy my car, and this year I'm working on my vacation for my 50.
I love
you
that.
develop a passion for something that you like. It's a hobby, right? And then eventually it turns into a business, right, Coach?
Yes. Yeah, it's
Like when you.
Hey, Coach, can you look at a stock? I think I got a runner.
go.
AQB.
Yep, I see it in the tops. Let me take a look, partner. 19 million volume, 3.7 million free float. Got a huge wallet, $1.38, $1.40, so be careful. Yeah, it's got good volume. Yeah, I mean, I like it. Has it got news? Is that the catalyst?
No, I'm looking it up right now.
Oh, right here's, hold on, double top is at, crap, let me get, double top is $1.25. So don't touch that till new high, you hear me?
Got it. Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, that's double top at $1.25, and then you got that wall at $1.38. So you got about 10 cents, give or take, inside of there. Do what you will with that, because tough, but huge volume, 20 million volume on average volume of 339K. Yeah, that's beautiful. It's a good setup. Now I just wait for it to break through that double top before I touch it.
Yeah, Coach, along those lines, VVPR is up 111% today.
Oh, yeah, let me look at that. What was it? VV?
PR.
Victor, Paul, Robert.
Oh, thank you.
No, VVP.
Yeah. Viper. Choo, 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 choo. I always love it when they have a VV next to each other, and it always looks like a damn W, right?
I thought you were typing W, to tell you the truth.
Yeah.
You know, the interesting thing is, if this thing can hold up, this is one of those rare cases where holding a hot stock isn't a bad idea, because this thing, if it even gets halfway to what the offer is, you're talking about a pretty substantial jump.
Yeah, what's...
Abu Dhabi,
let me look. Let me look. What's the offer? $4? No.
So the market cap right now is 21 million. The offer is 120 million.
Oh, I see it.
I think they want to try to have a presence here in the United States, since their trade agreement stuff is going to affect them trading.
Yeah, so you're right. So it could be, what, $10?
Right?
Yeah, potentially. Not financial tax or investment advice. Yeah, market cap. VVRP. It's
VV.
Yeah, VV. Victor. It's Vivo Power International.
PR.
P.
Victor, Papa Romeo.
There it is. Thank you.
Well, that's the other thing, is checking off the box on energy, which is getting a lot of attention now with the Trump administration. So.
That's right.
Yeah, I played that back in December of 2024. It's $1.31.
Coach F2 is up 20% on his entire account again.
Nice
Dang.
job. Man, that's a tuning fork over there with F2. He just completely switched that around. I love seeing that.
Heck yeah.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Am I misreading it? So the market cap is 21 million. The offer on the table would be 6 times that, right?
Well, 120 into 21. 21 into 120, I should say.
Right. So that's 6.
That's correct then.
So that means and it's not going to happen right away because of arbitrage and all that kind of stuff.
Correct.
But I think it might gravitate at least. I mean, in a perfect world, it should be 6x its price, right?
Yeah, but 6x its price on what, right? So it was, what was it at the open? Let me look. I mean, think about it. That was, I mean, when did they
The market cap is updated. It updates real time. So the market cap is 21 million.
Hold on. Market cap,
We
where?
didn't know that math was going to be involved.
Oh, yeah.
You got the wrong stock.
Yeah, I see that. I know. I was like, I don't see it. Hold on. Papa Romeo. Yep. Yeah, I was doing it. I was being dyslexic. Let me look. Oh yeah, the market cap is 38 million. But there's only 6 million to trade.
Right. I mean, it's almost a perfect scenario, right? Because
Yeah.
a lot of people are going to back.
Yeah, there's 30 million. Even though it says free float market cap is 30 million. Shares outstanding is 7. Yeah, this is crazy. Yeah.
It's really
And
crazy.
the year to date is up 249%.
That's what I was saying though. This is what I was saying though, is when it did it, it was around $2, right? So if you looked at 6x off of 2 would be 12. Yeah. But that's why I said $10. $10 would still be great. I mean, that would be another 100%, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Which it could.
I mean, look how it's traveling here. There's not a lot of people speculating on it. People are just kind of holding.
Yeah, there's no sellers. I don't see any selling going on at all day.
Yeah. And it's so funny because when I used to talk about hot stock picks, it's like, get in there for the day, and the next day it's kind of like the janitors are there cleaning up.
Yeah.
Nobody's there anymore.
Right.
But now I think it's one of these cases where this is something that you should keep an eye on.
Well, some of them, and then one of the cool strategies you guys can do that I've talked about before, right, is somebody want to kill that? Is one of the cool things you guys can do, and I love doing this, especially when you have something like this. Think about it. You'll make your money in the day trading. Let's say you made $1,000 off of VVPR today, right? You could take $500 of that, lock that in, that's your profit, and then you could leave $500 into the stock to see what it's going to do, which would be 100 shares. So those extra 100 shares would be completely free to you. If it went to zero, it would cost you nothing, right? So a lot of times you can take some of that out, 80%, 60%, whatever you're comfortable with, and leave them in there. They're free forever. You could do that on, of every one of them, 252 trading days. That's, think about it. That's more of A, long-term investment. B, later you could write that off. C, if you held it over 12 months, you don't get capital gains tax. It's just taxed as regular income, which is, 15, 20% instead of 40%. There's so many cool little things you could do by doing that. And again, not financial tax or investment advice, but it's a cool little strategy, right, to allow some of them to run like forever,
Right.
Yep.
So like a majority of the hot stock picks are kind of like these Chinese.
Yeah, quick.
You don't want to stay in them.
Yeah, quick news.
But just an example, we were playing ASTS almost a year ago.
Yep.
In the $2 range.
Right.
Look where it is today.
Yeah,
And
for
yeah,
sure.
always look out for that possibility. That I mean, this is like the minor leagues, right?
Yeah.
These hot stock
I
players,
agree.
a lot of times they are future stars.
Yeah, double A ball. I mean, look at Carvana when it got down to $6 or $4 or whatever, right? Like, think about it. If you made a bunch of money in that and then you left it, what the hell's Carvana up to now? I mean, it went.
The stock is almost at a double top from last April.
Yeah, Carvana's $212. I was telling you guys to buy it at $4. Remember?
Same deal with SoFi.
Yeah, same thing. Yeah, right?
Yeah, those are the
I
days.
remember Carnival Cruise Line and 590.
Right.
They were panicking because everybody was saying, "Oh, nobody's gonna."
I said that's bullshit. I said they own the entire used car market. Like, what are you talking about? Yeah, just dumb. Same thing with SoFi. That got down to $6. I'm like, guys, this is a fire sale. It's SoFi. Remember, I was telling you about the stadium and how they spent, right, $20 billion and they've got a 20-year lease on the damn stadium name. Like, they ain't going nowhere. And people were freaking out. Oh, no, the banks. And remember, FRC was crashing out. And people were like, oh, the banks. And I'm like, bye. SoFi just hit like $17 the other day. So... And I told you guys back then, I said, I think it's a $20 stock. Remember me saying that?
It was all day. They got a little compressed on the forbearance from student loans.
Yeah, exactly. And, That's exactly it. Yep.
$20 company all day.
Yeah, all day. I mean, it hit $18.50 in January of this year. It was an $18.50 stock. And I was telling you guys, scoop it up. That was $6.
Yeah. And what's the whole Biden, like Palm says, once the whole Biden picture changed, right?
Yes.
Now student loans are in the mix.
Yeah, it's back into business again, right?
The student loan borrowers of today are going to be other borrowers of tomorrow.
That's correct.
Hey, Coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
Hot stock, PTPI, Papa Tango, Papa India. Can we take a look at it?
Got it. Good call. I like what you're seeing. No, I like it. You get a break of that VWAP, partner, you got a nice gap up. You hear me? Yeah, I like the way you're rolling. Look at average volume is 7 million. This one's 565 million volume right now. Yeah, no, I'm loving the way that this came all the way back up, breaking through this 14 cents. I'm telling you, man, you get a pop here. All right, this would be my strategy, not financial tax or investment advice. Excuse me. I could look at this right here with a stop of, what is this, $13.50. 50 cents, 60 cents, something like that, right? Wait for the break and hold of VWAP, and then that would be my stop, just to have something in place. Don't go too big where you can't afford this stop. Don't have the stop so close to VWAP that it, spikes through it and it crushes you. Wait for the break and hold. Wait for either a long candle to come through or a candle and another candle confirmation that's higher than the previous candle. That's what we're looking for. But yeah, for sure. If it can get up there, I mean, think about it. If you enter around this 14.6, which is about what it'll be, you got to move up to 17, right? Now everybody's like, 3 cents. Yeah, 10,000 shares. It's 570 million volume. You can move 10,000 shares all day in this, right? I mean, like now. Not financial tax or investment advice.
I think Coco did that this morning. She had a great run on it.
Yeah, it's...
Yep. Went up to 20 cents.
Yep.
I'm just in paper now because I made my salary, so.
Oh, good job. There it goes. There goes the pop on PTPI. There it goes. Bye-bye.
Who called that, Coach? Who called it?
I don't know. Who did call that?
I don't know, but that was a good call out.
It
was trend.
Nice job.
Look at that take profit. This somebody just got totally taken on that.
I saw that.
Candle on 6 candle.
Yeah, I saw that. But yeah, I liked that setup. That was a very nice setup. Now that thing spiked all the way up to 1639 and somebody sold the hell out of it. Did you guys see it?
Was there catalyst on that? Any news?
Yeah, it has to be. Yeah, there's no way there's not. 'Cause it must be part of this healthcare stock moving.
Yeah, I couldn't find news on it this morning.
There it goes. Look at that spike. Now who's in there? You had the perfect setup, right? We walked you through it. Yes, we walked you through it. You knew what to do. You knew when to get in. You knew how to do it.
$156.
Good job. Anybody else make any money off that?
I got 1,000 shares right now.
Yep.
Nice. It's glorious. It's a great setup. Like I said, I really like that gap back up to about 17. That's a nice setup. Good job, everybody.
Upside down, couple and SPY
Mine
there.
just sold off.
Coach, in the last week they announced that they have a game-changing AI drug platform.
Oh, okay. Whatever that means. AI. They put the word AI in it.
They're trying to get the AI technology into medicine. It was a big report yesterday on Bloomberg.
Right.
How the medical is trying to adopt the AI technology.
There it is. 17 cents.
265.
There it is. Double top.
Holy cow.
Double top.
There we go.
Double top. Collect.
I'm out.
Collect, 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 collect. Breaks new high, you can add. Take your damn money. Not all. Shed. Not all. Shed. Or move your stops up. Or move your stops up in case it pulls really hard, right? Now, get ready for a circuit breaker because if this breaks through the top and flies, right, it's going to halt this thing. So everybody be ready for that. Have your stops now, right? Now, who made money? We literally set up that perfect scenario with exactly what to do, when to do it, why to do it, how to do it. Everybody in the room, if you were watching for free, you saw exactly how we handle that, right?
Yes, sir.
I did, Coach.
Good job. It was just a perfect setup. It was a perfect setup. Now, if you guys didn't know what to do with it, that wasn't for you yet, right? That's you're not ready for that. These are advanced scalping moves, and if you're not ready, don't do that. We handle these literally every single day. Double top still staying up strong. It needs to stay above this 16,665 to hold. So I said collect up top or move your stops up. Don't be greedy. You can always add after it breaks through, right? Okay. Good job. Nice. Nice. Look at the camera here. I can tap on your heads. Good job. Good job. Good job.
The old Benny Hill.
Yeah, that's more like. PTPI. Still staying up there.
GC always tells us about when they go down. after the
Somebody want to mute that?
Tennessee come back.
Here, I got him. Thank you. Somebody got it.
Strike.
Nope, you're all right. Double top pullbacks. Everybody be cool. And I could spring. It just hit the 9 and bounced. That's a good sign. That's a very good bullish sign. But I'm telling you, you take your money, right? And then wait and see if it's going to go your way. And then add in. But right here, on these quick scalps, yeah, I'm taking 50 to 70, sometimes 80% off when I get to these spots. I've already made all that money all the way coming back up there, and I leave that 20, 30%. That way, if it does run, I'm still in the game, and I can always add. But that way, if it pulls against me, it doesn't take all my money, right? Let me mute that too. Got it. That was a nice trade. Good job, everybody. Good call on that to have me look at that.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. Hopefully you made
Called that out in the pre-market at 10 cents.
Nice job. Hopefully you made some money on that, right? Since you had me look at it.
We did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we did.
Okay, good.
Come on, break 18.
Yeah, baby, go. Go.
If it breaks 18, we're off to the races.
Yeah. Now right here I add. Because remember, if I'm adding here and I've already got such that tight stop up there, my risk is really small. So the add is great because the risk is even smaller since my stop is so tight up there on that double top range, right? Now remember, I told you it's got to stay above 16.65, remember? You can see it's tried it a couple times.
Yeah.
But the beauty is you add here, it's 1 cent. Right?
That's easy.
Yeah, it's 1 cent.
Hey, Coach, the rest of the market seems to be getting some volume in it. If you want to take a look.
Oh, yep, I see it. Yeah, Tesla rebounding, Q's, SPY, and Apple. Yep, good call.
SPY with the double bottom.
We got so excited over this penny runner. 10,000 shares, $100, right? A penny. Stuff adds up. All right, while you guys are trading that, let me look over here. Let's see. Oh, SPY got out of that 573 area. I'm telling you, that 573, 574, that's what I was talking about this morning. It's still inside of that. Again, I'm not even looking at SPY long until I can get above that. I've still got it marked as 574.25. That still exists. I don't want to, it's still against the grain, even though it's making them move. It's still to the downside, gang, right? Still got to be careful here. I do not like that upside at all on SPY still. Get above VWAP, we'll talk. If you guys are quick trading in there, great job. Just use those key critical areas. Right now, by the way, it'd be a great time to talk about our products and services. Make sure you guys head on over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. You guys get your regular premium membership starting at $125. With that, you guys get the hot stock picks, the IPO center, the videos on demand, and the pre-market setup. You'll get to trade and train with us every day starting at 8:45 to market close every single day that the market is open. Otherwise, you guys can step it up. Get the VIP starting at $500. By the way, we do have a special on the VIP. You'll get the VIP and the VIP Gold, which is called our complete package. If you guys get that today, you can get both of them for $1,500 for the first 6 months. After that, it will renew at a discounted price of $2,800. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. But with the VIP, you guys are going to get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every single day. The workshop classes, we put one of those on per month. You guys will be able to be involved in that. All the VIP advanced training videos, the TradingView indicators, all that requires is a TradingView subscription, which is about $15 per month. Otherwise, you guys can upgrade if you have a VIP to the VIP Gold add-on. You'll get all the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support, weekend training. We've been doing that every Saturday at 11 a.m. Eastern. VIP Gold Lounge access, VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support, all the breakout rooms. We do that every Monday, Wednesday, Friday from noon to 1 o'clock. And everything will be recorded for you. So if you have busy lives and you're working, all of it's recorded. You can go back and watch all the replay. And of course, you guys have access to that beta live Apple chat where David is over there every morning showing you exactly how he is doing the 2-minute EWO on just the Apple stocks. So hopefully you guys can check it out. He says, shill. Listen, everybody that's in the room is here because I have to talk about my products and services. I do it twice a day. It's about 6 minutes, so I apologize that we've made over 200 million, close to 200. Let me help you out. 200 million dollars in profits for our community. Not verified, don't come at me. I don't have receipts on all of those. A lot of them, not all of them, don't come from me. Okay? But I appreciate you. So thank you. By the way, if this is your first time tuning in, my name is Chad, aka The Coach. I am a stock market trader full time, and I've been doing this for 33 years. Okay? Been here a long time. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the country, if not the world. I don't know. Could be. We have 20 moderators standing by to assist you at any time. We have a full help desk center. We pride ourselves on all of our service and how we take care of all of our members inside of the room. Do me a favor, if anybody is in here that's ever used our help desk ticket system, do we or do we not have the best member services of any company, any place, anywhere you've ever been? Go ahead, open your mics. Am I right?
Yep.
Absolutely.
Amazing. It is.
Definitely.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
With those cheeks, baby.
Thank you. I take pride in that, right? Every company I've ever owned or ever ran, it's always about, right, 100% customer service and making sure we take care of you no matter what the issue. We are always on point. Let's put it this way. In 2 years and 7 months since we went live, and I've hired all the crew and all the team members and everything we've done here, I don't think anybody has ever waited over 5 minutes. 2 years, 7 months, I don't think anyone has ever waited over 5 minutes in a response time to a ticket. Have you ever heard anything like that in your life in almost 3 years? Ever? And I mean ever. Anywhere. Bet your ass. That's what we do here at American Dream Trading. I take great pride in that. Hell yeah! Thank you.
I don't think I've ever even waited 5 minutes.
Yeah, no, it would be very rare if you had to actually wait 5 minutes for us, which is insane, but we do not mess around at all, right? I am always about making sure everybody's on point. You guys are doing a great job, by the way.
But they check back with you to make sure it's still going okay. It's like the follow-up, not just the service.
That's right. Thank you for that. Checks in the mail, actor number 237. Wade says, better response than Verizon. Thank you. I appreciate that. Richard, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, I just wanted to add for everybody on this day that's been just amazing, another day that's been amazing. If you've had a positive experience, please go to the Stock Lounge. We want to contribute to Coach's growth and people that go into that Stock Lounge. If they don't see the comments from the regular people, they lose interest. So please, if you've had a positive experience, go into the Stock Lounge, make a comment on any nuggets you've learned, what you've done. It's a perfect vehicle to help support the business. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, man. I do appreciate that. Yeah, it really does help. And if you guys would do me a huge favor, obviously make sure you click follow. Go over to YouTube. Make sure you click subscribe. I think we're at 14,200 subscribers, give or take. We're trying to get to 15,000, obviously, for our next goal. But I do appreciate it. You guys can find me over on the X at ADT Coach. You guys can find me on Instagram at American Dream Trading LLC. You can find me everywhere else, typically American Dream Trading. If you don't know, go over to where it says follow coach here, and it will give you every social media platform we are on. We do have over 150,000 followers across my different social media platforms, so I appreciate each and every one of you guys for being here. So please go out there, let everybody know. Tell them on Facebook, LinkedIn, Rumble, Kick, Twitch, everywhere. Let them know about American Dream Trading. Make sure you tag me in it. Speaking of that, we have a reward program for all of you creators. If you guys go over to the channel that says, help me out, moderators. That says,
What's in the stock lounge?
Oh, okay. If you go over there, it will tell you exactly how you can make money by simply posting some things, tagging me. You guys can start getting paid today. Seriously. Absolutely. How's Mr. T doing? Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Mods are amazing. They were all noobs at some point. Yeah, that's what I love about this, right? Just so you know, almost every single moderator, minus Palm and a couple others, almost every single moderator either had A, zero experience in the stock market, or B, very minimal experience, right? And you're going to hear a ton of them have retired, right? Like completely retired from their 9-to-5 jobs. And most of them had never traded a day in their life. That has to tell you what we're doing in the last 2 years and 7 months, right? That we're not hiring people from outside. I didn't go, hey, you look like a really good trader. Why don't you join? And I see all my competition do that, by the way. We make good traders, and then they become moderators. We don't just go hire. You know how many, listen, all the other companies, by the way, that you guys watch on your TikTok and YouTube, they have all tried to hire me. Sorry, gang, we're the top. I make the people you want to hire. You understand the difference? American Dream Trading makes the best traders in the world. Not in the country, in the world. Hands down. Nobody comes close. I don't give a crap what prop firm people you're watching with the fake money and all that crap. I'm talking about real dollars. We make the best stock market traders in the world. Am I right, gang? Am I just talking a bunch of crap?
That's a fact. And then those people turn around and make more traders.
That is true, right? Thank you, Palm, who's the only one who said, yes, coach, you are right.
Hey, I said it too.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, listen, and it's in the moderators, right? Everyone you just heard, right? Literally, it's crazy. I love it.
Too, but you muted me, coach.
No, it wasn't me. I don't even got my hand on the dial, brother. It ain't me.
Joking.
Yeah.
I said I was muted.
So anyways.
I just received my cash app, so yes, coach. Great.
Yes, thank you. Nice job, everybody. Yeah.
Cultivation starts here. The cultivation starts here.
Yeah, absolutely. So thank you guys again for being here. Don't forget, take advantage of that super sale we got going on, which is VIP Gold Complete. 6 months, $1,500. That's $3,000 normally, just so you know. So the first 6 months is going to be only $1,500. It's the greatest place to start. I'm not kidding. I don't care if you're 0 day. I don't give a shit if you've been trading for 50 freaking years. VIP Gold Complete is where the magic happens. I'm telling you right now. Once we are good enough to use real money, what size account must we have? been dabbling with micros. Chris, it's completely up to you. Just remember again, and I know you're paper trading because you just said it, but please make sure you are paper trading only. Listen, gang, I'm not trying to sell you product. I know I'm talking about my products. Invest in the training, not the trading. Let me repeat that. Invest in the training, not the trading. So before you go ask, how much money should I be? You need to buy the memberships to get the training, not put money in your account to blow your money. I'm telling you, how many people have we seen? Oh, well, if I wouldn't have blown my account, I would have got the training. Ass backward. 1,000,000% ass backward. Get the training and then trade. So if you guys are asking the question, how much should I'm thinking about, get the training. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? Yes, thank you, Chris, by the way. And I'm not yelling at you. I'm just trying to set an example because so many times people are like, oh, I'm just going to, well, what do you? No. Listen, gang, if it was my way, I'm being dead serious. I am being dead serious. If I could, I'd tell you none of you are allowed to use real money for a year. And I'm not exaggerating. If I could force you to train for a year under me and our moderators before you freaking spent a dime in the real market, oh my gosh. A year of training before, gang, you would 50x immediately, right? Now, results not guaranteed. But I'm telling you, the difference would be so drastic. You would not believe it. I'm telling you, if I could force you into a contract that says you will train for a year and you will not use real money for a year, it would change your life. I'm being dead serious too. I wish I could. I wish I could force you to do that. It'd be so many changes for so many of you. Oh my gosh. Because listen, the money will come when you become a good trader. It does not show up because you have a large account or you put a bunch of money into your account. That has nothing to do with it. There is no magic bullet. Well, when I get to 25,000 and I can trade unlimited, I'm going to be so good. No, you're not. You're going to lose $25,000. Let's be honest, right? If you can't trade 200, you sure the shit ain't trading 2,000 or 20,000 or 200,000. I could give you $1 million today. It's gone next week. Get the training. Then when you're a good trader, the money will come. That's it. That's what I got for you today. All right, listen, I'm out. Anyway, before I go, anybody new here, you want to say hello? I would love to see anybody new. Is there anybody new to our group? Anybody newer into any programs? Anybody anywhere?
I am, Coach.
There it is. Tell me, what's your name?
Pistol Trader.
Hey, Pistol Trader. Good to see you. I've been seeing you roaming around, lurking in our ticket system.
Very excited, Coach. Thank you for the opportunity.
You're very welcome. Now, Pistol Trader, how long have you been with us?
A couple weeks, I think.
And I just saw you inside of our help desk ticket system. What do you think of our member services in our help desk ticket system?
Amazing. Everybody's amazing. The support's amazing. Like no other.
Thank you. I appreciate you being here. We look forward to working with you each and every single day. Now, listen, you just heard me, Pistol Trader. If I had it my way, you would not touch real money for a year. Now, you heard me. Now, it's up to you to use that information as you will, but I'm telling you, everybody in the room, if you'd spend more time training than trading, you'll be a hell of a lot better off when you start. How many people in this room wish they would not have gone immediately into real money and had just went into training? Tell me, open the mics. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, for real.
100%. Yep.
For real, Coach.
Picking on me again?
Yeah. And listen, I'm not trying to be mean, but I'm telling you. So what happens is usually people will come in, They'll get really excited. They'll have a couple good trades. Oh, this is easy. I can do this. And then they'll get hammered. The account gets beat up. Then they're like, oh, I don't know if this is for me or not. Like, oh, I don't know if I can afford another membership. And I don't know if, well, maybe if I start, and then all you got to do is stop the bullshit. Stop using real money. That's it. I'm telling you, right? There's no better risk management than using $0. I'm serious. So everybody be cool with this, especially you new members. I'm forewarning you. You just heard everybody in the room wish they would not have done that. Right? And what usually will happen is, this is why the statistic shows up that 95% of all stock market traders will lose money, is because you'll do exactly what I said not to do. You'll come in, blow a bunch of money, blow up your account, say, well, this isn't for me. You'll quit. We'll never see you again. You'll be trying to sell a bunch of shit on eBay and pyramid schemes. And, well, I think what I'm going to do is now I'm going to try to sell some Shackley and Amway. And stop the bullshit. Stop it. Stop it. Look at that. Charles in Charge is honking. He's so excited about what I'm trying to tell you guys. He got overly excited, starts blowing the horn. Right? I don't know.
What about the guy that? Oh my God! That was a Shackley.
I was trying to think of a bunch of shit you sell. Tupperware, I don't know. Avon, I don't know.
Way back.
25. Oh.
To go out there and buy some Shackley.
Beach body shakes. I don't know what you guys are trying to sell now. I don't know what you guys are selling now, but you understand what I'm telling you, right? Stop.
Parties. Yeah.
Yes. Listen, you are all in the right place, literally at the right time, with the right community. All you need to do is focus and stop. Block all the noise. Just knock that crap off. Listen, we're going to get really, I'm telling you right now, we're going to get crazy in April. April and May, gang, moderators, you better be ready. We are going to bring it. We are going to bring the most energy, the most marketing, the most of everything we've ever done. We are going to drive American Dream Trading to the freaking stratosphere. I am not exaggerating. I've already told my wife, cancel everything, shut it all down. We're going to go freaking bananas the next 2 months. We are going to go absolutely nutto. You better be ready for the most insane journey we've ever been on. We're closing in on 3 years. We haven't even done any marketing at all. We're going to go nuts. If I have it my way, we're going to be streaming live 24/7. I'm not freaking exaggerating. We're going to go nutto land. And you better be ready. You better bring the energy or get your asses out of the way. If you're a slow ass and you're standing in front of me, I'm going to run you over. I'm telling you, the next 2 months, we are going to go nuts. I took 2
of trading.
Oh, we're going to go nuts. I'm not kidding. Are you guys?
Of trading.
Oh, we're going to go nuts. I'm not kidding. Are you guys ready for it?
Ready.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. And I'm going to need, yes, and I'm going to need all of you. You're all going to help me. I'm serious though. It's going to be crazy. I can't wait. I'm excited. It's 11:15. Listen, I'm going to fly. I love all your faces. I appreciate everybody being here. You guys have been amazing. Real quick, did anybody make any money today? Open your mics. All of you open your mics and let the world know.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, gold for the win.
That's
first hour of the day ever.
Oh, nice, Palm. Excited and proud of you, buddy. Miami said, I love you too. Miami says, getting ready to recruit people or making money in the market. We're going to do both, dude. Listen, we're all about people helping people. You already know that. Trading, we already make money by trading in the stock market, right? That's the side effect. This is people helping people. Because Miami Boat Parade, if we weren't promoting what we're doing, you wouldn't have seen this. And you wouldn't know that we've made hundreds of millions of dollars. And you wouldn't know who we are, that we've been here, right? Forever. You wouldn't know that we are the #1 stock market training and education company literally in the country. You wouldn't have known that if we weren't talking to you about it. So this is for you. How you like that? Huh?
We do it all and we do it together.
You like that? You like that? You like that? Camera 1, 2, 3, and 4? Huh? You like that? Look at that, real time. You guys like that in real time? I gotta be careful because I got literally cameras everywhere in this room. All right, listen. I'm out. Thank you to my moderators. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Dawn, Mark, Miranda, Nick, Palmcoast, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Diesel Dan, Gilly, Mountain Man, and I got one more that's coming up. I'm going to be talking to her in just a little bit. Got another one. She's going to be out of this list. I'm almost positive. Got her right there. Got her right on the ropes. What? Right there. Right there. She's just ready to go. I'm telling you. It's happening. It's happening. I want to say thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Whoosh. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Hit it! There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Live, did you guys hear the Cybertruck horn today, by the way? I fired it up. Did you guys hear it live? If you guys were on TikTok, you might have heard it. If you guys are on Zoom, it just blocks the damn thing out. TikTok, did you guys hear it? Let me know. Because you know I love blowing the horn, so everybody's like, what's this guy doing blowing his horn? And he's yelling and karate chopping and swinging and... These people must literally think I am freaking insane over here. Real quick, before I go, I'm going to take you guys on a little journey. I'm going to take you a little behind the scenes here real quick. All right? Give me 1 second. Let me stop this share. Give me 1 second. Okay, Zoom, you guys can see me, yes? Take a little trip. Take a little trip. This is what it looks like. This is what it looked like for me today.
Oh man, that feels so cool. Look at that. That's sweet.
Can you guys see all this going on in here? Right? I've got all my
police set up in there.
Yeah.
Is
I've
that
got
your treehouse, coach?
I love it.
Isn't that cool?
That's just so awesome.
Like a cop car.
That's kind of the idea, right? And then of course you guys can see right up here.
That sucker's pretty cool.
Yeah, isn't that neat? Little behind the scenes here. Let me show you guys over here on the TikToks. You don't stop. I told you this is. You think?
Hey, Coach, while you're doing that, you should put the cameras on your Tesla as well.
Yeah.
Green and red light bar for the top.
I'd be tinting out those windows black out so nobody can see in.
I told you though, it's
Green and
crazy.
red light bar.
Right? Didn't I say this is literally my mobile command center? I told you, right?
That's awesome.
You gotta get the Cybertruck 10.
Yes. Oh yeah, I did. Yeah, I saw that. Here, hold on. One more. Let me see if I can get this camera off. Hold on. You guys, now you may or may not know, but my prior life, what I used to do is all IT, and guess what? I was the one who set up all the police cruisers with their computer systems, camera equipment, radio systems. So why do you think I have the same type of setup? Because I freaking did it for everybody else. Ambulance companies.
Now you need a green and red light bar for the top for when you're trading.
Yeah, really. Woo!
Well, plus with the Cybertruck, you've got a much better power source than you had in those ambulances, right?
Oh yeah, big time. Yeah, I mean, I can run 2 weeks. I can literally run up to 2 weeks in here with no powering my whole house for 2 weeks. So if I was just live streaming, I could probably go for 2-3 months. Yeah, I mean, I've got all the power sources.
You could put a bathroom in that thing and you could live in it.
Christina, oh my, I don't know. I can't. Listen, nobody's going to the restroom inside of the, nobody's living in the Cybertruck, Christina.
When somebody put it on the waiting line. Just kidding, Christina.
Well, I didn't hear what you said. What'd you say? I missed it.
Oh boy.
Christina used to live in her Jeep, so.
Pretty much.
Yes.
Pretty much. I'd sleep in there all the time when I was driving Uber.
Whenever we were on live, you'd be in the Jeep driving somewhere.
I remember. It was awesome. Oh, real quick, Bruno, can I make you host?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Doing it now before I forget and kick everybody out of the room on accident.
Just made another $100 on PTPI.
Oh, good job.
Nice.
Let me look at that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it's back up on that ceiling again. Nice job, everybody. All right, listen, I'm out. I'm going to try to get back in here later. Now, yesterday, I snuck in. I snuck into the aftermarket. I wasn't able to go on it, but I do want to start getting on the next 2 months, guys. I'm telling you, you better be ready to go. If I'm on the panel, I better see all your faces. If I'm live, I better see all of you. When I throw up that ADT signal, right, the Batman signal, when I throw up that ADT light signal, I want all hands on deck. It's going to get crazy. It's going to get crazy. Hold on, let me kick this J-Mac out of here. Give me 1 second. We will not tolerate the silliness. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right. That's it. I'm out. Everybody have a blessed day. Mark, great job. I look forward to watching your futures this afternoon. And everybody else, I appreciate you. Thank you, moderators. I'm out. Guys, have a good day.
Have a great day, Coach. Love your face.
Thank you. Love your face.
Take care, Coach.
See you around like a trend line.
What the? Oh, goodness gracious. Why are you guys so crazy? Thank you, guys. Have a blessed day. It was great having all of you here. Listen, it's just us live. Thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the follows. Thank you for sharing this out if you were able to do that. Thank you for spending time with me, whether it was 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 hours, whatever we did for today. I appreciate all of you guys. I'm live here every day. You're very welcome, Humble. Good to see you. I'm live here every day, 9 to 11, and Mark's here every day from 2 to 4, and then check out the aftermarket, okay? Appreciate all of you. Love your faces. It was another great day. Hopefully you guys either